Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to turn on alerts on the Flightradar24 application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that you should click on the alerts button, that's the fourth option. Down below, so tap on it. Here you can custom alerts, so if you tap on it you are going to get push notifications based on flight events of your choosings, but that's a premium option, so you need to purchase the premium in order to use that feature. Below you can turn on featured flight alerts, meaning that you are going to get notified of unique or interesting flights selected by the staff. And you can also turn on the radio failure, meaning when there is a flight squawks, you are going to get notified, such as in the case of a general emergency if you turn that function on. You can also turn on the nearby airports function, meaning that you are going to get notified when you visit an airport to easily access flight information. If you tap on the notification settings, you can choose a different notification sound for each type of alerts here at this section. For general alert, featured flight, for the general emergency, radio failure, and nearby airport. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.